Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll solve percentage related word problem for standard 4. So first question says, so space worker wants to buy a new scooter costing $6,000. The salesman says he will give her a 15% reduction. So how much will Sue have to pay? That means after getting 15% reduction or discount, how much will Sue have to pay? That is the question. So Sue have to pay, Sue have to pay, have to pay, have to pay. That is $6,000. That is the original amount. And we'll separate the discount. That means 15% of 6,000 from the original value. So we can say this is the original value and this is the discount. Now separate 6,000 minus 15% means 15 by 100 of that represent into 6,000. Okay. Now do the cancellation. Here we can easily cancel 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So what will be left? 6,000 minus 15 multiplied by 60. 50 multiplied by 60. That will be actually 900. Okay. So final answer will be 5,100. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2 says Mrs. Singh earns $3,500 every month from her work as a computer operator. If her boss gives her a 10% increase in salary, how much will she now earn every month? So here, Mrs. Singh earns $3,500 every month. Okay, and her boss gives her a 10% increase, that means increment. That means her salary will be increased. So what will be her salary in this month? So we can say that she will get actually $3,500 plus 10% of 3,500. Okay, now $3,500. And now if I want to convert this one in this way, 10% represent 10 by 100 of means multiplication 3,500. Now do the cancellation. So how can we convert? This is very simple. We can cut 0, 0, 0, 0. Then what will be left? 3,500 plus 10 multiplied by 35 will be 350. Then we will get, after adding this one, $3,850. So she will earn $3,850 right now. Okay. Now the second part says how much will she earn in 1 year? We know that 1 year represent actually 12 months. Okay, 1 year actually represent 12 months. So in 1 year, she will earn, actually 3,850 multiplied by 12. Okay. Now we need to multiply this one properly. So here, if we want to multiply 3,850 multiplied by 12, then we know that 200, 2 5s are 10. We have to carry 1. 2 8 is 16 plus 1 17. We have 1. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7. Then 0. 1 0 0. 1 5 is 5. 1 8 is 8. 1 3 is 3. Now add 0 0. 5 plus 7, 12. We have 1, 16. We have 1, 4. She will earn $46,200 in 1 year. I hope you understand this one properly. Now, question number 3. Moonshine earns an astronomical sum of $35 lakh per month as director of Supershine Space Station. He sends 40% of his salary to his wife on Space Station Zebra. How much is that? That means we need to find out 40% of this amount. Okay. So that is 40% of 35 here 00 and 000. Now 40%, that is 40 by 100 of means into 3500 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now we need to cancel the values. Okay. So 0, 0, we are cancelling these two values. Then what will be left? We need to multiply 4 by 35. 435 is 140. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. 40. That means we can say that will be 14 lakh dollar. Okay. So that is the solution of this problem. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, Fi Amanillah.